Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. In this next step, we're going to pin our fabric to our shorts. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your shorts inside out. And you can start with either the front or the back, doesn't matter. And you're going to take one of your triangles. See what side you're on. It looks like I'm on the front side. So I'm going to pick whichever one I want on the front. And then I'm going to place it face down. And I'm going to pin one side of the triangle to one side of the leg. And you want to have right sides facing. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to have a lot of tip coming out of triangle, but that's fine because it's always okay to have extra. What you don't want to do is not have enough fabric. So I'm going to put the tip of my triangle right here in the crotch area, and I'm going to attach it. Since you have a 1/2 inch seam allowance here, you're going to pin allowing for a 1/2 inch seam allowance on your pant. So you're going to pin about a 1/2 inch down like this. Make sure the tip is up. It's better to have the tip up too high and then cut it off than to have it too low and have a big hole. So go up a little high if you have to, and pin your fabric. And this is going to give you an idea of how your skirt is going to look when it's done.